Hello everybody, welcome back. So let's have a quick look at these coins. We're starting with Bitcoin and we'll move to Matic and just have a quick look at the market in general. So just to say, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not a financial advice, so let's crack on then, shall we? So we're back on Bitcoin. Obviously we're still trending within this trend. I expect to basically continue to fall within this pitchfork, probably finding bounces on our first attempt to get to 9,200. I think at the moment we've been hanging around in this area, around about, we'll call it 9,500 basically is where we've been able to stay. And to be honest with you, I'm a little surprised that we've not gone further down than that, but the fact that we've not tried to move up too high from there suggests that the momentum is still down, really. So we're looking at the indicators, everything wants to go down still. There's nothing really for me to say that this is going to try to break above 10,000 anytime soon. We're much more likely to come down to test this area, probably slowly but surely test the 9,200, have a little bounce and settle along there to 9,000. And it's only when we break that 9,000, and if we break that 9,000, will we find a steep drop like we had over here. We'll just go to the 4 hourly just to have a quick look at what that seems to say. It's actually looking like it wants to have a little move to the up, which is fine. I don't mind it doing that at all. It can do that, but it's not going to stop the overall trend. So yeah, probably a little move up in the short term, a little boost up, perhaps maybe to 9,600. But if it does try to get up above 9,800, then I'm sure we're going to find rejection. So we'll move to some of these alts. My computer it just keeps freezing. Alright, so let's have a quick look. So this is the crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, so you can see how bearish it has been. I've not bothered putting any of my indicators on it. I just want to show you that this level here is where we're expecting to find a bounce. And when I say bounce, I just mean a temporary bounce. You know, it's not great. So if you can see this line, I'll just draw a little line in for you here. It's this area here where we were rocketed from at the beginning of the year, and where we bounced from. So we had our first initial move up here, and we came back down to that level, tested it once, two, three, and then we started to make our way up again. So to be honest with you, I do expect this to cause a bit of a bounce. We had a small bounce here. You can see the candle body was formed above, so we had a longer wick than the body, so you can see that the support does have some kind of relevance to it. But this one here, tried to test it down for the first time, didn't get quite close to it and it was rejected, so I would expect to see a relatively nice bounce, a soft cushion bounce, should I say. But given the state of the market at the moment and the state of Bitcoin at the moment, I reckon that if it tests it a few more times and we fail to have a bounce, we will break, and if that break happens, it will be catastrophic for the price of altcoins. It will be terrible. You see the state of altcoins now, it looks bad. If this breaks down, it'll look a lot worse. We'll be going to sort of prices that we hadn't seen since last year, really. And let's just have a quick look at Matic, because we like to look at Matic. So Matic is struggling. It's certainly not very happy at the moment. We're on for some reason on the 5-minute chart. We'll get out of that one. On the 4 hourly chart, so actually we've got a death cross confirmed on the 4 hourly, which is not good. On the daily, the indicators are down, so it's actually looking pretty sorry for Matic on the tether pairing. And get out of this silly 5-minute chart. I don't know why it's done that. And yeah, we've just got a fresh death cross actually on the Bitcoin pairing. So unfortunately, Matic is not going to escape a further fall, unless of course we find pumps today, and it has to be today. And those pumps would have to be at least 7% or more. Anyway, I will leave it with you there. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day. Take it easy.